First, let's start from scratch by importing our video into After Effects 2023. Go to Composition, Add to Render Queue. Click next to Output module. Under Resize, you can select a resolution and a frame rate. On the top, you can select a video format, and under Format Options, you can change the video and audio quality. Click near Output to, and select a destination for your video clip file. On the right, select Render, then wait for it to finish rendering. All done. Please subscribe.